Okay, so if you got your filter setting set up, the next thing is to run Autotune. And what I find with a well set up notch is that Autotune is a lot more sensitive. Once you start taking the noise out of this system, Autotune can really pick up what's going on in the copter and give you a very, very tight tune. But because of that, the default Autotune settings give you an overtune essentially, and it's this Autotune agra value. The default is 0.1, and so I've been tuning roll and pitch on 0.075. So do Autotune roll and pitch 0.075, and that should give you a decent tune on roll and pitch. And you can try it again. You can do Autotune a couple of times to dial it in a little bit more, and then you got to tune yaw. And what I've found, so as you know, yaw D is very important for a good yaw tune. And now that Autotune does yaw D and it's in 4.4, as part of the yaw D tune, it'll also tune P and I and the regular D and angle P. And so actually auto-tuning E is not that relevant, because the only value it's going to get out of auto-tuning E is filter E, the only value that you're going to keep. All the others get changed when you tune your D. And the filter E values are pretty similar. So I think actually, and I'm going to try this again today, I think actually what you can do is you can get away without tuning your E at all. So the default to your E is 2.5. 2.5 is actually not a bad default at all. I think that would work pretty well on all of my copters, 5, smaller and so on. Maybe on much bigger copters you'd need a lower value, but on these 2.5 is pretty good. I think the good value for this was 2.2, so not far off. So I think you could actually just simply set filter E to 2.5 or leave it at the default and go straight on to tuning your D. So no need to tune your E at all. And then what you find is once you've tuned yaw, you can then go back and tune roll and pitch again. But the thing to recognize about yaw is it's a much more powerful axis, and so you need to drop the aggressiveness value yet again. So I've been tuning yaw with an aggressiveness value of 5%, so 0.05. So tune your aggressiveness value 0.05, your D that is. Then go back and tune roll and pitch again, but with an aggressiveness value of 0.075. And then you should come out with a pretty good tune. And that's what I've done on this one. And I'm going to run through that again for the video, and you can see what's going on.